Chuig grúpa Magdalena go dtí an GPO agus d'obair siad ar a poblacht. An sin chuig siad go dtí cúpla fórna timpeall áirithe san áireamh Bowen Mills, Steam Green an Sparkle on GPO.
100 years ago, on the 24th of April, a group of rebels went to the GPO and declared Ireland a republic. Then they went to a few buildings around Dublin, including Bowen Mills, St. Stephen's Green, and of course the GPO.
Ar céimeann own GPO, le Padraig Pearse orthróga. Bhí sé sin has a Padraig Pearse, James Conley, Thomas Clark, Sean McDermott, Thomas McDonough, Joseph Lungert agus Éamon Kant. Lítear é faoina cearta a daoine sa hÉireann. Bhí sé difriúil orthróga eile, mar lítear sé ó bhean agus ní lítear orthróga eile ó na man.
On the steps of the GPO, Padraig Pearse read out our proclamation. It was signed by him, James Conley, Thomas Clark, Thomas McDonough, Sean McDermott, Joseph Lungert, and Éamon Kant. It mentions the right of people of Ireland. It was different to other such proclamations because it mentioned women, which others didn't.
And it's chalked on every ballot, a punchy has to raise to the bridge over die Maymouth. Over Maymouth, Yagnany stop, you make we had a chance to wishes in Lord Conde Mayo. In Lord Conde Mayo, just Mayo, Katie has St. Paul, you take his house, as may go. The quill jam up rocket gun for curtain me son if focus don't be let of it on no more. Oh, fall them let hope take a night and no crease at my Irish and we no more scalpish on cow. Nurse Queen and Mary Cara nor God and take his fair go be land or Connie Mayo. Kill a done on fire, have us sing up me and toss me as if on his master gold sword. Snap make sure my pacific large to my eeny damn holy on each demon's pain I reach out.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking bourbon, drinking burning liquor. Never been so we were out to make that city bigger. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. If I could see your face once more, I could die a happy man, I'm sure. But if you love me, why'd you leave me? Take my body, take my body. All I want is, and all I need is the
Irish men and Irish women, in the name of God and of the dead generations from which she receives her old tradition of nationhood. Ireland, through us, summons her children to her flag and strikes for her freedom. Having organised and trained her manhood through her secret revolutionary organisation, the Irish Republican Brotherhood, and through her open military organisations, the Irish Volunteers and the Irish Citizen Army, having patiently perfected her discipline, having resolutely waited for the right moment to reveal itself, she now seizes that moment, and, supported by her exiled children in America and by gallant allies in Europe, but relying in the first on her own strength, she strikes in full confidence of victory. We declare the right of the people of Ireland to ownership of Ireland, and to the unfettered control of Irish destinies, to be sovereign and indefeasible.
likes the rain in Ireland.
Go away.
Prefer if I come back later.
Would you stop? Come here to me.
Right.
What's the story? Crack, the scandal, scale. What's happening like?
I'm here from the European Office for the Financial Review.
Well, before we get started with that, I'd kill for a cup of tea.
Have mine.
You're a good skin.
Thank you. So I would like to, at some point, take a look at the latest figures.
Right, yeah, I'll get that for you now in a while.
You get them now.
Yeah. Listen. In a while. Sound?
Sound? What we're worried about is our quarterly income is not so good.
Ah, listen.
I don't hear anything.
Some genius omitted our biggest account.
That's not the word of genius.
I know, he's a spanner.
Like,
All the money that I had, I spent it in the company, and all the harm that I done, and less it was to none but me, and all I've done for want of wit to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. If I had money enough to spend and leisure time to say a while, there is a fair maid in this town that surely has my heart's behalf.
The Proclamation declared Ireland a republic
and laid down the vision for the country and its people going forward. 100 years on, Stratford College, like so many other schools nationwide, has drawn up a new proclamation. It reflects students' views and aspirations for Ireland. Now Moira will read the Secondary Schools Proclamation of 2016.
To the people of Ireland. We, the students of Stratford College, declare within our proclamation our hopes and aspirations for Ireland's future. We envisage an equal, fair, eco-friendly, just Ireland. We declare herein to pursue the happiness and prosperity of the whole nation and all of its parts, cherishing all the people of the nation and in pursuit of a society that is oblivious to the differences of race, gender, religion, economic situation, cultural background, sexual identity, and ability and discipline.
Now for the last act of the night, Emma will be singing Our Million.